Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the JBL Link 300. Now this is a voice activated speaker. Now you can buy this on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $250. So that means this is cheaper than your Apple HomePod and also cheaper than the Google Home Max. How does this sound? Let's find out. All right. JBL Link 300 voice activated speaker with Google Assistant built in. Let's go through the features real quick. Get help from your Google Assistant. You got hands-free voice controls. Simple setup with Google Home app on Android and iOS. You got Chromecast built in, allows casting from compatible audio apps. Multi-room playback across speakers that have the same Chromecast built in. Now this supports 2.4 to 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. And it also has Bluetooth. Okay, typical JBL presentation, orange and white box. Let's see what it is. Okay. Shout out to White Shoes, she got the day off. So inside, here we go. Usual books and shit, plug them and file them. Little foam. Okay, so you got this box right here. Let's see what's in here. Okay, more books and shit. This is gonna be your plugs. And that's pretty much it. Let's see what kind of plug this is. All right, proprietary style, 2-part plug, and here's your speaker. All right, so that's it for the box. Now, fresh out of the box, I would say it's definitely about the same size as the Apple HomePod, a little bit lighter, and definitely smaller than your Google Home Max. Now, build quality feels very sturdy. Definitely not cheap at all. You got your classic JBL mesh grill covering all the speakers. On the back, here's your radiator. Now this is gonna vibrate. That's one of the best part about JBL speakers. When you're playing your music, watching this bass radiator pulsate like that, you're gonna love that. Let's go through the buttons. On the top, this is your Bluetooth pairing button. Here's your mic. You can turn that on and off. You got your dedicated Google Assistant button, volume up and down, play and pause, and there's your 2 near-field communication mics. On the front, you got JBL branding with a little Wi-Fi LED indicator. On the bottom, you got some rubber stoppers and a rubber grip, so this is going to keep it in place on your table. Let's see, you got your power input. You got your USB for service. All right, so you got to update the speakers, and you got a dedicated reset button. Simple, straightforward. All right, so let me plug this in. I'm going to pair it up to my Google Assistant app, and we'll do a little sound test, and we'll play with some of the features. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I got this all set up, so now let's test it out. Now, the first thing you want to do is download the Google Home app on your Android or iOS device. Now, once you open that up, the pairing process is going to take about 5 minutes. Now, you can connect this to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Now, I got it set up to both. So if you're connected to Wi-Fi, you're going to see that Wi-Fi logo on the front. It's going to be illuminated. All right, so now let's try out the far-field mics. I'm going to whisper. Okay, Google. What time is it?
It's 10:33.
Now, I don't want to keep killing y'all with the voice commands, so I'm going to use the button for the rest of the video. What's the weather?
Currently in New York City, it's 53 and cloudy. Today, there'll be showers with a forecasted high of 55 and a low of 48.
Now let's try this. Max volume. What's the weather in Las Vegas?
Currently in Las Vegas, it's 72 and sunny. Today, it'll be sunny with a forecasted high of 96 and a low of 67.
Who was the 23rd president?
Benjamin Harrison was the 23rd President of the United States.
Spell accomplishment.
Accomplishment is spelled ACCOMPLISHMENT.
What's 604 times 808?
The answer is 488,032.
So now you can use all your regular Google voice commands, and you can also use your smart home features. Call me an Uber.
I couldn't verify your voice, so I can't connect you to Uber at the moment. You can either try again or verify your voice match settings in the Google Home app.
All right, so I'll set that up later. Now, I tried out some music on this, and I got to be honest with y'all. For $250, this is a major go. This is a great alternative to buying an Apple HomePod and being stuck in that Apple ecosystem. Now, this is not as loud as the Google Home Max, around the same volume as the Apple HomePod, but this has a lot of bass and it sounds really good. And I'll give y'all a demo. Okay, Google, play Soul Group Universe Brainstorm.
Brainstorm by Soul Group Universe. Sure. Playing on Google Play Music.
I brainstorm like the rain pour. Touching keys, I'm Ray Charles with these shades on. We gon' bull all summer long as the cane roll. You ain't riding till them wheels fall off, then what you came for? I brainstorm like the rain pour. Touching keys, I'm Ray Charles with these shades on. We gon' bull all summer long as the cane roll. You ain't riding till them wheels fall off, then what you came for? Guess who's Bizak? Still residue on my bills. I'm at the stove trying to cook me a meal. Got a plug, never felt the need to look for a deal. Time is money, so them hoes got booked me to chill.
Stop.
Price went up. You could.
Now, when you're playing your music on max volume, you will have to speak a little bit louder for the four-film mics. Now, let's try out some Bluetooth. I don't want to play any copyrighted music, so y'all know how we do. And on the side note, if y'all hear that purring sound, Zerk's on the top doing security. All right, let's take it over to some bike life. Okay, Google, stop. All right, let's try a different song. All right, so overall, for $250, this is a major go. Now, this is the perfect alternative to buying an Apple HomePod and being stuck in the Apple ecosystem with limited functionality. Now, with the Link 300, you get Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Now, that's important. Wi-Fi means that you can control the speaker anywhere throughout your house when you got your Wi-Fi signal. Now, you got access to all your Chromecast apps. You can stream music from Spotify, YouTube, iHeartRadio, Pandora, Amazon, Google Play Music, all of the different services. Build quality, excellent. My favorite feature is watching that bass radiator shake like that. I might just leave this facing this way so I can see that, but it is what it is. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. And if y'all want to see a comparison between the Home Max, the HomePod, and the Link 300, I could do that. But I'll tell y'all right now, the Home Max is definitely the loudest and has the most bass out of anyone that I heard yet. Now, as far as this versus the HomePod, that's going to be a good competition. The HomePod does have a lot of bass, but so does this. And this one is a little bit cheaper, and it works with Android and iOS. And you got all your streaming services. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, run the beam up. Energize. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the JBL Link 300 voice activated speaker. Xerxes scared the shit out of me. Let's try that again.